My name's Jordan and I'm a Research Associate in Digital Manufacturing Technology at the University of Wales, Trinity St David. So my recent work has focused on cobots and machine vision applications and how we can leverage practical applications of artificial intelligence in the form of machine and deep learning to improve the performance of these systems over conventional approaches. So cobots are becoming more flexible and more affordable, and as a result, automation is becoming more accessible to small and medium-sized enterprises. A major benefit of collaborative robots is their ease of use and integration. People with little or no prior experience can quickly learn how to create programs and develop solutions. A common definition of artificial intelligence is a computer or computer-controlled machine's ability to perform tasks commonly associated with human intelligence. So these tasks can include the ability to reason, to make decisions, to generalize knowledge, and to learn from experience. The number of potential use cases for machine and deep learning within manufacturing is huge. At the process level, this could include things like anomaly detection for identifying problems in processes, machine learning driven predictive maintenance, or vision systems that use deep learning for object recognition or inspection. At a wider business level or enterprise level, these could include things like improving demand forecasting by using machine learning to understand our customers' buying habits, or chatbots and natural language processing for interacting with customers. It's fair to say that artificial intelligence could become one of the most transformative technologies in the digitalization of manufacturing.